The account is full. We're not trading anything. We just try to look at what's happening on Bitcoin, but you can see Bitcoin is dropping like hell. USD has gained some strength, so Bitcoin is selling like nobody's business. So, but we're not gonna enter it because it doesn't respect our setups. We were supposed to enter it here, but it doesn't support. If something is not supporting, we don't have to force it. We just have to let everything just go the way it is. So, but today I want to educate you guys with something very best information that you will get from no one. Despite all the strategies that you use, all the strategies that you have, what is forex without understanding the strength, the currency strength? You have to understand which currency is leading for the day and which currency is not leading for the day. You have to know whether US dollar, is it going up for the day? GBP USD, is it going down or up? All of those currencies that we can talk about. Remember, if NZD is paired with USD, and we have a setup saying that NZD is buying US dollar. If NZD is buying US dollar, which means US dollar have dropped. So NZD see the opportunity of buying the US dollar in a lower percentage. But if you find that NZD is selling a US dollar, which means US dollar is gaining power. The US dollars that NZD have bought in a lower price now are going in high percentage. And then the New Zealand dollar see the opportunity of selling them in a higher price. So you have to understand that. Before using any kind of strategy, you have to understand what is forex without currency strength. Looking at the news, they tell you that gold is going up. So if they say gold is going up, remember, gold moves along with the US dollar. You have to know whether is it gold. If gold is selling US dollar, you have to know that US dollar is gaining power. And obviously, the gold will push with the US dollar direction. And if the dollar is going up, it will push with the dollar direction. So you must know when coming to gold that if the dollar is going up, which means gold will sell hard. If the dollar is going down, which means gold will buy hard. You understand? So that's what you have to understand. So on currency, it's another story. If the USD JPY, if the USD is going higher and the JPY is going lower, you have to know that USD JPY will be a buy. The dollar will buy JPY by all means. As you can see, that is why you see this buy happening, is because the dollar is gaining strength. So let's go to and look at the behavior of the US dollar. The reason why I'm talking about the US dollar too much is that I trade the US dollar. So let's go check USD JPY. What is happening on USD JPY? So as you can see, on USD JPY is a buy on 5-minute chart, responding to what I was talking about. And you can see many people are buying. So this is a historical data combined together in one place to form this kind of strength meter, so that we understand what is happening in the market in a current stage. So as you can see, the buy here is telling us, okay, the market is going up. 13 people have approved. They are in a buy position on USD JPY. It shows that the dollar has gained more strength and the JPY is lacking some power. Let's go and check the behavior of JPY. Let's go and check the behavior of JPY. So this is an hour strength meter. You can change here. As you can see, when I touch here, it changes the hours, but we're only focusing on 1 hour. This one allow us to check on 1 hour. We will be checking the overall movement of this pair in an hour level. As you can see, the JPY indeed, it has a small red bar, which means it's very weak, and the US dollar is moving very good. It's giving us that the US dollar is in power. So that is why you see this happening. That is why you see this amazing buy happening. So we only we only do what? We analyze our market. We see the lower low of the chart, as you can see, at 23 level. So we wanted the market to just retest a little bit on the 50 level and just reach the 38, the 38 or the 20, yeah, the 38 level. So then it reached. The market went up and reached the 38 level. Then we had to buy there. Then we bought there. Then we moved very nice with the buy. So this is how you're gonna do things. So we're teaching the strategy for free. If you want to learn the strategy, go to our, make sure that you have our Facebook. There's a number there, you just inbox. We teach you on how to trade for free. So this video, we still gonna make more videos when we will be confirming our entries and so on. We're still gonna make more videos about this kind of things. Let's check the behavior of NZD USD actually and see. As you can see, NZD USD is selling, which means the US dollar has gained more power. The US dollar is in control. As you can see, NZD is dropping. It's at the lower level right now. Nothing is things are not going good for it. There's maybe they are they are in financial crisis. So this is this strength method. You can do what? You can go to internet and search about NZD, what the behavior of NZD, what is going on. So they just brought those kind of information in technical analysis. They just put the information in the systems like this so that you can analyze them easily. You can be able to see whether NZD is going down or NZD is going up. So we come here in 5-minute chart. We just search NZD USD. So you can find this on Trading View. You can find this on Currency Strength Meter app. You check them on you just check them on Play Store. So to learn more on how to use them, to align them with your daily strategy, you just have to inbox. We will teach you further on how to do that. So now let's just check NZD. You see, they say it's a strong sell. 16 people have sold this on the 5-minute chart, which means we are in good direction. So which means the behavior that you see here, the market reached the higher level, then retested, then it pushed down. So which means that this was nice. So we aligned those trend meter with our mobile strategy that we are using, zone to zone support and resistance strategy, to get the nice view of the market and be able to at least make money in the market. So this will surely shows that it will be very rare to go wrong. So if you want to learn our strategy, make sure that you follow our Facebook there. Make sure that you WhatsApp us. Make sure that you WhatsApp us, guys, so that we teach you the strategy for free. You must know it's free. Thank you.